Hello everyone, I'm George from TSS, and in this video we'll be unboxing the TSS multi-point door handles lever 92PZ with 240mm screw centres. Like all TSS multi-point door handles, these are supplied boxed with the TSS branded sleeve. The sleeve contains all of the product's key information. There's more information on the side, and then on the back you've got the specifications and line drawing. Either side of the box you do have the product information as well. This makes them perfect for in the back of the van or for retail. Inside the box you will receive your handle set, and an accessory kit. The accessory kit includes a solid spindle, which is 8mm by 125mm in length, 2 spring cassettes and 2 sets of fixings, one short and one long. The shorter version is 75mm in length and the longer is 85mm in length. All of the components inside the box are individually bagged. This is to avoid any damage in transit, any unnecessary scratching to the handles. These handles are available in silver, like you see in the video, polished chrome, and polished brass, and black and white. All of the handles are cycle tested to 50,000 operations. The polished brass, polished chrome and silver are salt spray tested to 240 hours, making them suitable for coastal areas as they're weather resistant. And I'll go over the measurements of the handle for you now. So you have a backplate measurement of 270mm, width of 32mm, PZ of 92mm, top screw to spindle centre is 106mm, base of the Euro cutout to the centre of the bottom screw is 17mm, and you've got screw centres of 240mm there. Thank you for watching.